Some more factoring here with exercise 2. Take this 3 on the right side, subtract it over to the left side, so x cubed plus x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. 4 terms, let's see if grouping or factor by grouping works. So group up the first set. I'm going to separate these with a plus sign, so don't chop off this negative sign. Group up the second set. I can pull out an x squared on the first set, leave in x plus 1 behind. And both of these are negative, so I can pull out a negative 3, leave in an x plus 1 behind. So it looks like this will work fine since both of them have a factor of x plus 1. And the other factor will be x squared minus 3. So x plus 1 equals 0, so x is negative 1. Or x squared minus 3 equals 0. Add the 3 over. Take the square root, so x is equal to plus or minus square root 3. Okay. Switch those things into tangents. So after I subtract the 3 over, tan cubed x plus tan squared x minus 3 tan x minus 3. It looks just like the previous equation, so all we got to do is factor it the exact same way. So tan x plus 1 times tan squared x minus 3. Separate these out, make them equal 0. So tan x plus 1 equals 0. And tan squared x minus 3 equals 0. This one just subtract the 1 over. Tan x equals negative 1. Draw a unit circle. Tan equal negative 1. Well, if it's y over x, the coordinates have to be the same, just different signs. That happens at all of the pi over 4s, the 45 degrees. Since it's negative, we're over here in quadrant 2. It's that triangle, which is 3 pi over 4. So x is equal to 3 pi over 4, and the period is pi, so plus n pi. Remember that takes care of this one over here in quadrant 4, which is 7 pi over 4. Right, just a difference of pi over there. So there's the first set of answers. Over here, tan squared x equals 3. Take the square root. Tan x equals plus or minus square root of 3. It's two separate equations. Tan x equals positive square root of 3 and negative square root of 3. Okay, so if I want square root of 3 on the top, the only way I can get that is with the square root of 3 over 2, and I have to divide that by 1/2, so the halves cancel out. This is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate, unit circle, x coordinate of a half, y coordinate of root 3 over 2, that's pi over 3. So first solution is pi over 3 plus n pi, add in the period. That takes care of the one down here in quadrant 3. And then for the negative one, it's the one over here in quadrant 2, which is 2 pi over 3. X is equal to 2 pi over 3 plus n pi. And that'll take care of the one over here in quadrant 4. So there's all of our answers.